Hey everyone, welcome. So, have you ever wanted to build your own little corner of the internet? Well, today, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're jumping into blogger.com to create a brand new blog completely from scratch. If you stick with me, by the end of this, you'll have your very own customized space, all ready to share your story with the world.
So here's our game plan for today. First up, we're going to get you set up and online. Then comes the really fun part, making it look amazing with some design tricks. After that, we'll add some cool features. We'll even peek under the hood at some advanced controls for those of you who are feeling adventurous. And then we'll wrap it all up with some pro tips to keep your blog looking sharp.
All right, let's get into it. First things first, we've got to lay the foundation. You'll be surprised at how fast this part is. In just 3 super simple steps, your blog will officially exist, so let's do it.
It all kicks off at blogger.com. Just sign in with your Google account. Easy enough, right? Then you give your blog a catchy title. You know, this is your first impression, so make it count. And finally, you pick its unique web address, its URL. That URL is basically your blog's permanent address on the internet.
You know, a great way to think about it is like this. You're claiming your own piece of digital real estate. Your title? That's the name you put on the front door. And your URL? That's the street address. And just like that, boom, you have a home on the web.
Okay, so your blog officially exists. It's a real thing out there on the internet. Now, for my favorite part, making it actually look great. Let's dive into design and give your new space some serious personality.
So, inside your Blogger dashboard, you're going to look for the Themes section and then hit Customize. This spot right here is your command center for everything visual. And the best part? It's a live editor, which means you see your changes happen in real time. No more guessing what it's going to look like.
And once you're in there, you have this whole visual toolkit. You can browse through tons of pre-built themes, you can swap out header images, tweak all the fonts and colors, and remember, these choices aren't just for looks, they really set the whole mood for your brand. You can even change up the page layout itself, all with just a few clicks. No code needed.
I heard a great way to think about this. It's like Blogger gives you this solid, pre-built house. The structure is all there. The theme editor, well, that's you getting to be the interior designer. You get to pick the paint, arrange the furniture, and just make the space completely and totally yours. Okay, so the walls are painted. The vibe is right. Now let's furnish the place. We're going to add some really useful features to your blog using Blogger's simple tools, and they're called gadgets.
So what in the world are gadgets? Well, think of them as the functional furniture for your blog. They're these little ready-made tools that just make your reader's experience way better. We're talking things like a navigation menu to help them find their way around, a search bar for digging up old posts, or even a contact form.
And the best part is, it's so incredibly easy to do. You just head over to the Layout tab, and you'll see this kind of map of your blog. From there, you can literally just drag and drop these gadgets and place them exactly where you want them to go.
Now, for those of you who want to go beyond just interior design, for those who want to start knocking down some walls, let's explore the advanced options for a full-scale renovation.
Have you ever looked at your theme and thought, you know, this is great, but I just wish I could change that one little thing? Well, this section is for you. Blogger actually gives you the tools to become the full-on architect of your site. So you've got 2 levels of control here. Edit HTML. Think of this as the full renovation. This is for the big jobs, like tearing everything out and installing a completely new custom theme you found somewhere else. Then you have Add CSS. This is more like your precision tool, your fine-tipped paintbrush. It's for making those small, targeted tweaks, like changing one specific font color or getting the spacing just right.
All right, we've built the blog, we've designed it. Now we have to talk about how to take care of it. Think of this next part as your owner's manual. It's going to help you protect all the hard work you've just put in.
Okay, these 3 things right here are your safety net. Seriously, don't skip these. First, and I really can't stress this enough, always back up your theme before you make any big changes. Second, hit that preview button all the time so you can see exactly what your visitors are seeing. And finally, if you ever get stuck, just remember that video tutorials are your best friend for step-by-step help.
And that's it. You did it. The foundation is laid, the space is designed, and you know how to take care of it. The tools are all in your hands now. So, the real adventure begins. You're ready to share your voice with the world. The only question is, what are you going to say?